Hi there, it's Roger from Root. Today, we'll explore how to set up Workbench on Replit. Using Replit, you can quickly onboard and learn about Root without the need for a local setup. For production development, we recommend setting up Workbench on your local machine. Let's start with the prerequisites. Before you can start using Workbench, ensure that you have already set up an organization and a product module on Root. You also have to sign up on Replit. Remember that on a free account, your work is public. So if you're working on sensitive projects, you should consider a private setup or a paid subscription. Once you're set up on Replit, fork the Root Workbench sandbox environment from the Replit account at /root-workbench-sandbox. This cloud-hosted setup bypasses firewall restrictions and comes with the correct Node.js version. Next, install the Replit extension for Root Workbench to streamline your setup. This extension integrates directly with Replit, providing instructions for configuring your product. To do this, select Extensions in the Tools section, search for Root Workbench and install the Root Workbench extension. Now let's clone your product module to your Workbench environment. In the Workbench environment, input your Root API key and product module key. Then select the appropriate root region based on your location. Finally, clone your product module to Replit. This process creates a new folder with your product module's files, including schemas, documents, and configuration settings. At this point, you can start building on Root. But first, let's take a moment to explore the folder structure. The Workflows folder is where you define form fields. The Documents folder includes policy schedules and terms. And the Sandbox folder is for testing your documentation locally. In the code editor, you can view your product module's code files, such as quote-hook. You can also write tests using Mocha and Chai for pricing validation and other behaviors in the Unit Tests folder. Stay tuned for more insights on building an insurance product on the Root platform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.